Hello, hi guys. Yeah, my mic's over here, so you might see me like looking in this direction when I'm doing this stuff. But yeah, today I wanna do like a cover. I'm gonna do Bruno Mars, It Will Rain, but I didn't exactly like do this video a billion times like I usually do, so I'm just gonna use my first try, which is this one, and I hope you like it. I'm gonna do like one with music after, like even if it's sucky, whatever, or not sucky. I'm still gonna do this over. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So like, share, comment, do your stuff. I remember I'm gonna do a rap when I reach 690 likes. So yeah, share my page. Alright, so let's get this one. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it'll take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. Keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying, there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, little darling, watch me change their mind. Ooh, I'll try. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. That'll make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, song wasn't that bad, I guess. But yeah, thanks guys. See you soon.